Hey. Hola.
Salam, jawabын, konnichiwa, sawadika.
안녕하세요.
So I'm going to keep asking this question until I get a substantial amount of answers. Would you guys be interested in watching videos where I recommend songs to you? Obviously, all I do is reactions because you guys suggest stuff, you request it. So I thought maybe it'd be cool if we did like a mutual thing where apart from me just doing reactions, I could also make videos where I tell you guys my favorite songs or songs that I think are good for certain moods or whatever by certain artists and all that. So let me know if you want to see that. Just be like, yes, I'm interested. No, I don't want to see it. You just have to comment that, please, so I can move on and not ask it again. But I'm still gonna put it in all the videos that I record with this outfit. So yeah.
Very green screeny. Nice voice. Let's see what this is gonna be about. Okay, he has a really beautiful voice.
Айтшы, жауабын, үнсіз қалмағын.
The ways. Please don't be a super electronic chorus. Okay. Yes. I'm getting Sia vibes. Yeah, Sia is the only thing I can think of right now. This is gonna be a case where I like the song, but I don't really like the video. Okay. Psychological. The reflections are moving, they're not. Maybe the reflections of their souls or something beyond like that. I really like this guy's voice. He kind of looks like this Mexican singer from a group called Rake. If I make those videos where I suggest music, I'm totally gonna suggest Rake. So, answer the question. He kind of looks like the lead singer. His voice is pretty similar too, actually. Oh, his is more clearer. Okay, I seriously don't understand that. This is a psychological video. It's just symbolic and shit. I don't understand it. I'm a very literal person most of the time, so these things just like pass me. But I really like the song. So he's like I don't know. I like it. Okay, this song's great. It's very intense. I love that. I really love songs that just evoke something out of you. That are really just like a build up. I love songs like that. Like this. Okay, it's done. Video, Song, love it. Very intense, and I like songs that are dramatic like that. Songs that just make you feel like you're in a movie all the time. However, I did like his outfits. I did like his suits. He looked like very fancy. He looked very sleek and clean and just prim and proper and like a gentleman. Әmre, Айтшы, jawabın, I don't know, but his name's Әmre, apparently. So Әmre, I really like his voice. Yes. I'll link a video of Reik in the index cards or whatever they're called, information cards, I don't know, so you guys can see that he kind of looks like the lead singer and he sounds a little bit like him as well. So I don't know, fun fact.